think it's pretty cool that, we're actually learning these stuff at a fast pace. It's given us a short period of time to learn everything, and then who knows, by the time we get to our jobs or wherever, the other students are going, it would be something that would help them push forward in their careers.
Oh, it's been great because I already know a lot of print reading and a lot of mathematics and things I already do with my job in terms of CMM and different inspection machines and things like that. And this is really also giving me a nice review, but also going to be advancing my knowledge in a good way at a fast pace. So I'm really excited.
The fast track program's a lot faster, but getting through the initial parts of like a credit course where you could have the math and the blueprint reading and all that gets a little bit more accelerated, so you're not so focused on the book and doing a lot more hands-on.
I guess I could say I'm a little excited. I'm ready to get in there and get on to the job and see what kind of fun stuff happens, especially since I get this good chance to get everything front-loaded real quick and a lot faster than what I was doing before. Pretty much in the past, week or two, I've done more than what I was doing in like a whole semester at the community college. So, this is getting me ready to go.
So they say that it's a year cramped down into 4 months. You can't tell it. You get, to me, I feel like I'm getting the same thing I would get within a year of time. So in these 4 months, I know I will know everything I need to know that everybody that has to take a year class will get.
I believe I want to do welding as a career. I know after here I'm probably going to move to Hampton with my brother and work at the shipyard with him. So and I'll probably be there for a few years and maybe become a welding instructor myself if I get good enough at it.